Hi everyone, welcome to Weaved In. Today I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet rib. I'm going to use chunky yarn, 100% acrylic, and a 5mm hook. You start with a chain of 12. You turn your chain and you single crochet one into each and every hump at the back of your chain. At the end of row 1, you will have 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chain 1, row 2. You single crochet into the back of this stitch here, not into the single crochet, but into the back of this stitch here. So you single crochet here, and then you single crochet into the back of the next stitch. You continue with single crochet into the back of each and every stitch. I'll meet you at the end of row 2. We're at the end of row 2. Your last stitch should be in the chain 1 here. You are not going to crochet into the back of the stitch. You are going to crochet into here. Chain 1. Turn your work. Single crochet into the back of the stitch here, not the chain 1, the back of this stitch here. I'll meet you at the end of row 3. So we're at the end of row 3. You single crochet, not here, but into the chain 1 here. into here, single crochet there, chain 1. So at the end of each row, you just make sure that you've got the same number of stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and you turn your work, and then you just repeat the same until you get your desired length. So yeah, you just continue with single crochets until you get your desired length. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.